In this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your Facebook profile. Alright, the first thing you gotta do is visit your Facebook app. Click the three-dot menu at the top right corner and then move over to Privacy. Now click on Settings. And then click on this option. Alright, so if you are here you will see all your settings here. Now what you need to do is that, go ahead and do all your settings right here. You can select who can see your phone number, who can send you friend request and who can view your story. You can go ahead and enable some of these settings to hide your profile from the public. Now after you have done, just click on Save and your settings will be saved successfully for you. Alright, you're all set with your Facebook profile. Thanks for tuning in, make sure to hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel.